Hey guys, good afternoon. Today I am going to make you understand about the problems based upon the quadratic equation. It is the chapter 6 and it is one of the application of the quadratic equation. Here we will be learning, we are going to deal with the sums which are having the quadratic equation format while solving, and that may be based upon speed, distance, time, that may be based upon the number system, that may be based upon the area, perimeter, and work and day, age sums, fractional numbers, so on. And even it is also based on the cost price, selling price, profit, loss, percentage type. So all types of chapters you have learned till now, those all the chapters linked with the quadratic equation, linked to the variable, it will be available in this chapter. When we will be solving this chapter, you have to read the theory sums very carefully once, twice, until you understand it while solving, and try to assume a variable as x instead of any other is preferable because of its comfortable of using. And while solving you will get at least two parts, otherwise while solving you may get it's a one of the part, one equation only or two equations, and where you have to substitute one in another. There will be two equations in each sum, you have to convert one in the form of others to get a quadratic equation, and all the sums belong to this category will be solved by the factorization method only. There are no sums will be available in this chapter which cannot be solved by the help of factorization method. So it's one of the sum exercise 6a. The question was find out the two consecutive integers whose product is 56. So that means the question is find out two consecutive integers. Integers in the sense, if the first integer is x, then next consecutive is x plus 1. If the first number is 3, then the second consecutive is 4. If the first consecutive is 21, then second is 22. That is the way how they are linked with one another. So the product is 56. So x of x plus 1 equal to 56, and x square plus x minus 56 equal to 0. First term to last term minus 56 x square, that is splitted, the middle term is splitted as 8x minus 7x to common, then factor, then ZPR rule, minus 8 and plus 7. Is minus 8 is one of the integer, then minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. If the 7 is the one of the first integer, then second is 7 plus 1 is 8. Third number says two integers differ by 5. If first one is x, second one will be x plus 5. And the sum of the squares is 97. So x square plus x plus 5 whole square is equal to 97. X square plus 25 plus 10x, this is a plus b whole square. I have equalized to 27. Then I have solved. Then I got the answer. One is minus 9, another one is plus 4. Since it is asking the natural number, the answer is one is 4, another one is 4 plus 5 will be 9 here. Then sixth number. Divide 15 in two parts such that the sum of the reciprocals is equal to 3 by 10. If one of the part is x, then another one is 15 minus x. Sum of the reciprocal 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. Then take the LCM out, then cross multiply. After cross multiplying you will get a quadratic equation, and while solving the quadratic equation you will get x equal to 5 and x equal to plus 10. That is the first one is 5, then 15 minus 5 equal to 10. These two parts are there. 11 number, the three positive numbers 1 by 2x, 1 by 3x and 1 by 4x, that is the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4, and sum of their squares is equal to 44. Then after solving the squares, that is x square by 4 plus x square by 9 plus x square by 16 equal to 244. While solving you will get x equal to 24. Then three numbers you can find out, 1 by 2 in 24, 12, another one is 8, another one is 6. Then comes 14 number. 14 number says the three consecutive integers are there whose 3 times the square of the largest is greater than the sum of the square of the other two by 67. That means middle is p, then before one is p minus 1, and after the p is p plus 1, the consecutive number. Then you have to simplify, as I have simplified, and I am sending the photocopy of this to you. So you please follow it, you will be getting it. Its 16 number had come in the last time examination also, is very important. There are two pipes, two taps are there which are filling the pipe, which are filling the cistern, and first cistern takes suppose x hour, then second tap takes 3 hours less than the first, x minus 3 hours. That is, in x minus 3 hours cistern is filling second pipe. By the second pipe, this is one cistern, 1 hour 1 by x minus 3. If you go on adding, here are 1 by x cistern, here are 1 by x minus 3 cistern in 1 hour only, by first tap plus second tap is equal, when both the taps are open, they are filling 1 by 6 hour 40 minute cistern. This is also cistern. In 1 hour both the taps are filling this much cistern. If you simplify this, you have to convert to hour, 40 minute to hour, 6 whole 2 by 3. This is the 18 plus to 20, 20 by 3, 3 by 20 आएगा. सॉल्व करते करते आंसर हमारा फाइनली इस तरफ है, जो कि फर्स्ट पाइप फिल्स इन 15 hours, second pipe 15 minus 3 is 12 hours. So please remember this all and go on solving all the sums and ask your doubts from this chapter. You can also ask me from the previous chapter too. Thank you so much and sorry for the delay.